9 of the world's top 10 tech companies have their European headquarters in one country, and it's probably not the one you are thinking of. It's Ireland. That's just the first thing nobody tells you. Second, an Irish master's takes 12 months, 1 year, and you are holding a full European degree. These universities have been around longer than most countries. Third, Ireland is the only English-speaking country left in the European Union. Your degree, your classes, your city, all in English, and all of the Europe is next door. Fourth is the one people really miss. When you finish your master's, Ireland lets you stay on for 2 full years. No sponsorship drama on day 1. Just time to turn that degree into something real. And if you end up falling in love with the place, Ireland has one of the Europe's clearest paths to stay long term. Ask us about that one on the call. It's worth the 30 minutes. We work directly with Ireland's top university, Trinity, UCD, Galway, Limerick, and more. Which university fits your profile, what it really costs, and an honest answer on your chances. Link is below. We'll take it from there.